Hey beauties, it's Nikea here, and as promised, I'm here to talk to you all about my hair. So, as you all know, I've been talking about it on my channel. I'm going to Mexico, so I was trying to decide like what am I gonna do to my hair. Am I gonna wear a wig? Am I gonna wear a natural? Am I gonna get some braids? And then I was like, let me get some crochet braids, okay? Because I feel like that's quicker, it's cheaper than box braids, because I've been trying to, you know, save my edges, and box braids can sometimes just weigh your hair down so much. So I decided to get some crochet box braids, and when I saw these, I was like, yes honey, I had to have them. Like, these just look, oh my god, these look so good. There's a story behind this hair too. So I went to Modern Styles by SB, also known as Shanika Blackman. I will put her Instagram on the screen, both of her Instagrams, and I'll put them down below in the description box. But she's done my hair before. I'll insert pictures. She did a crochet weave with Jamaican bounce on my hair before, I think it was 2015 when I turned 26. And she did my hair 3 years ago, and then I came back to her this year, and I love it. When she finished my hair today, I was like, I'm never getting individual box braids again, like never. It took her an hour and a half. My appointment was at 11:15, and as soon as I got there, she started. It was no like, oh, let me get ready, I'm not ready, blah 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 blah. No. As soon as I got there, she got started. She cornrowed my hair. How you book her is you go to her website, modernstylesbysb.com, and you click on the style that you want. She has all the instructions there. You book your appointment. You give your deposit. You cannot secure your appointment without a deposit, hunty, okay? Get that deposit. All the instructions are there, what you need to do. And for each style, it tells you what you will need for the style, like how much hair and what she will provide for you. For this style, she suggested 8 packs of hair. The hair that she used, that she suggested you use, is the Urban Beauty 2x Real Box Braid Curl, and I got 18 inches. It comes in like a wide variety of colors. I ordered it from braidsandwigs.com. I think they were having a sale. It was $8.99 a pack. I'll link it below. The color that I got is M1B/BG. All right, so the story behind this hair is, so I know I was getting crochet braids, right? And your hair is cornrowed underneath, and as you can see, you can like kind of see your hair. And you all know I dyed my hair, so I've just been feeling the red stain. So I saw the burgundy, and they didn't have a picture of this hair on the site. So of course I went to Google and tried to look for people who actually like bought this color to see what the color looked like. So when I went on Google, this is the picture that I saw. Y'all see that picture? I was like, oh, okay, so it's gonna be like a brown, copper-ish. But now that I look at it, I think it was a different type of hair, but it was by the same brand. So I was like, okay, so it's gonna be the same. So I get the hair and I pull it out the box. So I loved the way this part looked, the braid, because they mixed the 1B with the burgundy, so it's not so but this was like super bright. Like, just imagine just having this, y'all. That is just super bright. So I was like, oh my god, what am I gonna do? I have to get my hair done. Because I got the hair literally yesterday on Wednesday. And I was like, oh my god, I can get my hair done tomorrow. I don't even know where in Greensboro I'm gonna get this hair from. So I messaged her on Instagram and was like, I ordered some hair, but I don't like the color. Is there a beauty supply store in Greensboro that sells it? So I went to the store to see suggested, but I got in there and I looked around and I didn't see the hair, and I was like, you know what? I don't need to spend no extra money. I'm just gonna get the hair. So we got there and she was like, yeah, I see what you're saying. Like, they didn't have any of the 1B down at the end, but I told her, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna rock it with confidence. It's just gonna be, it's gonna be what it is. She's like, yeah, you're not even gonna think about this. You're gonna be in your bathing suit. You're gonna be like, ooh, I look cute. And once she finished with it and she showed me in the mirror, I was like, yay, I love it. And now that I'm looking at it even more, like, I'm starting to love the color even more. And I think it's because like it's layered, so it's not like a whole bunch of this just in one spot on my face. Just a little bit of it here is framing my face, so it's not an issue. I love it. So I told y'all I got it done today, so my head is still a little tender, but she told me that I can put the hair up all the way around. I can put it up in a full ponytail, but it's a little tight right now, so I'm just gonna let my scalp relax for a little bit before I put it up. But she just did a wonderful job. Shanika was very like personable, like we talked the entire time and shared stories, and it was good. And then it went by so fast. Like, I'm so glad. And she laid my edges down. That edge control smells so good. I don't even know what edge control she used. She probably used hers. She has her own edge control too, y'all. But one thing I forgot to do was to bring my accessories for her to put on there for me. So I figured, why not put them on myself? But let me give y'all a full tease on this look. So here's the side. Here's the back, and let me pull it up. Whew. So there's that. Oh, here's this side. So I really like this hair. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. For me, it does feel a little heavy right now because I haven't had my hair done like this in a while. So I'm just gonna give it some time for my scalp to just kind of relax and stop being in shock from being having a little tension on it. But I feel like I can pull it up and style it, and I can part it on either side. So, you know, I'm a left part girl, y'all know that. I can put it in the middle. Ooh. I can put it in the middle, and then I can flip it this way. You know, however I choose to rock it, but I've been wearing it this way all day, so I'm gonna put it back. Alright, so I have some thread that I'm gonna put on my hair. Alright, so I just cut it to the length of the braid and actually put a little bit extra. Oh, one other thing she did tell me about this hair is that you can use it like up to 3 times. So I can just take these out, and if I want to get my hair done, I can reuse it again. So I want to do that crisscross pattern. Alright, I'm just gonna tie it at the end. Ooh, I like that gold. Alright, that's all the decoration I'm gonna add so far. So you may see me add some more string, you know. And I'm also going to show you all in this video how to take care of your hair while it's in a protective style. So keep watching to see what I use. All right, y'all, I finally took the time to sit down and record the second half of this video. Mexico took a lot out of me. I'm trying to get back on my schedule, but as of today, I've had the hair in for almost 2 weeks. It'll be 2 weeks tomorrow. This hair wore well in Mexico. My only regret is getting it done 2 days before I left because it was still tight. So it was hard for me to like really style my hair like I wanted to. So I would just pull it back or put it up in a half ponytail. I did wear this hair in the pool. I did not go under in the swimming pool, but the ends did kind of get wet in there, the ones that were hanging down, since I did have it half up. I did get my hair fully wet in a sinkhole. So that is going to be in one of my Mexico vlogs coming up that I'm going to post, so be on the lookout for that. So I did get my hair fully wet while I was in Mexico. But the benefits of having crochet braids is that this part that gets wet, your hair is not in it, so it's like very easy to just wring out. When I did get home that night or back to the hotel, I did treat my scalp because my head was itching while I was in Mexico, and the fact that I got it wet, I wanted to cleanse it. So I have the Cantu Shea Butter Root Relief System. So this is the Cantu ACV Root Rinse, and this is the Root Relief. When I was in Mexico, I just used this to treat my scalp because the Root Rinse, I didn't feel like rinsing out my hair. I was being lazy. So yeah, and as y'all can see, my head is itching right now. So that's why I wanted to like really sit down and use this system and show you all how I am taking care of my hair in a protective style, because there's no use of getting a protective style and you're not taking care of your hair under that style, because once you take that style out, your hair is just gonna be dry and brittle and damaged, and it's just gonna defeat the purpose of a protective style. So this is my little travel hair care kit. So I just put those 2 full-size bottles that you saw in here. So this was the Root Relief, and this is the Root Rinse, which I didn't use. I had some leave-in conditioner spray and some oil because I just wanted to keep my hair clean, healthy, and moisturized while I was in Mexico. I only used it once because I didn't feel the need to use it multiple times, and I had just got my hair done. It was clean and washed. But now that I've had the hair installed for 2 weeks and y'all saw me scratching, my hair is itching, I need to get it done. Just my review on the hair. This is good hair. I do feel like when I first got it done, it was a little heavy and it may be like a little bulky on this side. I would want to like move some of the hair onto this area next time I get it done. I did have to take out one of the braids right here because I don't know, this is just growing out and I feel like it was pulling on the cornrow. So I just took it out. It doesn't make a major difference to me, at least I don't think so. And since I got the hair wet, my ends kind of got a little, they look a little tangled and matted. It's not bad when you look at it from a distance, but you know, I can see it up close. There are some of them that I kind of went through and like detangled. So I feel like I could use some hot water to like reset it to kind of smooth it out, but I feel like I would need to probably put a perm rod on it so it could keep that curl. But if I get it reinstalled, or when I get it reinstalled, I could, you know, I'll ask that and see. But it's not bad. I feel like the curls just got a little bit looser from wearing it. I feel like it still feels soft. It's a little bit more tangled just from being wet, but it still feels soft, and it's just some of them are matted, but I'm not complaining about it. I will say that it feels a little heavy to me. I haven't put it all up yet. It feels less heavy because it's not as tight as it was. I just feel like it's a lot of hair to put up, so I feel like it can be heavy, but that comes with braids. But I'm enjoying this style. I'm still on the side of I'm not going to get individual box braids again because it's saving my edges. And yeah, my edges are like more exposed now that the style is older. I tried to like lay them down on my birthday and even yesterday, but I was just like, no, it's not working. I can't do baby hairs. I can slick my hair back, but I can't lay my edges. So I just don't. So I'm going to show you all how I'm taking care of my hair in this protective style using this Cantu Shea Butter system. So the first thing I'm going to use is the apple cider vinegar rinse. It has tea tree oil. It is a gentle scalp detox to help cleanse the scalp without stripping your strands. And it has apple cider vinegar, like I said, tea tree oil, and shea butter to deeply cleanse the scalp. And it also nourishes and conditions your strands. So what you're going to do with this is just to take the nozzle, which is great. And the good thing about having crochet braids is that you already have parts. So just take the nozzle and apply it to the scalp and then just massage it in. And it says massage it to a lather, but already like I can feel the tingles and the goodness. And this is good because I feel like my scalp has been getting dry. So I definitely want to cleanse it and moisturize it, because a healthy scalp means healthy hair growth. All right, now that I got it all in there, I'm actually gonna let it sit for a little bit. And the next step is to rinse it out. Now to use this product, you don't need a lot. So I'm not actually going to stick my head under a faucet. Just feels so good. I'm going to just use this spray bottle with water. I did put warm, like room temperature water in here. All right, now that I have it rinsed, now that I have done the root rinse, now I'm going to do the root relief with peppermint oil. So this is to help soothe itching and irritation, refresh scalp without washing or water. So that's why I felt okay with using it by itself in Mexico. So now I'm just gonna remove the nozzle and dispense it to my scalp and just massage that into my scalp as you see. And this product you do not have to rinse out. But it's important to take care of your hair when you're protective styling because, like I said, when you take your protective style out, you don't want your hair to be damaged. You still want it to be moisturized. The point of the protective style is to prevent so much manipulation on your hair and just to give your hair a break from daily styling. And it also says that this helps to calm the tension in your hair. So this would be good to use like right after you get your hair done to help relieve that tension. All right, so now you're not done there, okay? There's another step, but I also want to keep my hair moisturized. So I have this Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioner. And it's a spray, and I thought it would be good because it'd be easier to apply to my hair, and I wanted to make sure that I kept my hair moisturized. And with these steps for your hair, you want to do as needed. If you feel like you need to do it every day for your hair, then that's what you do. This black vanilla smells so good. All right, and I want to seal in that moisture. And before I went to Mexico, I was like, you know, I don't want a heavy oil because I don't want to build up on my scalp. Like, what am I going to use? So I have my OGX Kukui oil. It's anti-frizz and it's hydrating. So I wanted to use that to seal it in. So, and this came in a spray bottle as well. Perfect. So just going back over my scalp and spraying the oil. Whew. Now my scalp is clean, hair is moisturized and taken care of underneath these braids. Oh my god, y'all, it feels so good. Like, I love the tingly sensation of the peppermint oil and the tea tree, and I feel like my hair is going to stay hydrated for a few days, and then if I feel like it's getting dry or my scalp is itching, then I can just go back into those steps. That's it. So make sure you're taking care of your hair underneath your protective styles. So I'll put Shanika's information down below, her Instagram, her website, and yay, she has moved in, or she's going to be moving in November into her own salon space in Greensboro. Oh my god, that is so exciting, because she was working, you know, out of her apartment. She had her little stylist room, and now she has her own space. That is so awesome. So proud of you, Shanika. Shout outs to you. So support black women, support black women businesses, support black business. I'm gonna put her information all below. She's professional, y'all. She does a great job. Like, kudos. I wouldn't have made a video if I didn't like the styles. Duh. Thank you so much for watching, and do me a favor, y'all, comment down below how you take care of your hair and protective styles, and like, what are your favorite protective styles for your hair? Thank you so much for watching, beauties. But before you go, if you haven't done this already, I want you to go down below and click that subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, beauties, and I'll be sure to see you in the next one. Bye.